Okay, get in there, Schooner. What do you think of your Bombardier? Yeah, I like my Bombardier, eh? Okay. See you later, Schoon. And the customer is off. We're gonna try and catch him going down to the Saskatchewan River. There he goes. 1959 narrow gauge. And is for sale. Owner taking offers. Just contact me. I'll put you in touch with the owner. And we'll catch him downriver. See him here. Just a gunning. Oh, he's gonna race the snowmobilers now. No fooling around. Got about 12 miles to go on the Saskatchewan River. Here he goes again. LED lights on. Just waiting for traffic. Traffic's got to pass, and then he's going to cross the road here. And on his way to home, going down the transmission line. There it is, folks. Like, subscribe, see you tomorrow.